What is going on, guys? It's RDN Racing back here with another YouTube video. Today we are gonna unbox this Mitsubishi Lancer Evo from Johnny Lightning. It's my second purchase from Johnny Lightning, so let's have a look. Here's the card. It says it's limited edition, one of 4,900 in the world. I guess I'm not really sure about that, but the card looks crisp. It's a nice card. It's thicker than the Hot Wheels cards that we get. It's in Apex Silver. Not really sure if that's a legit color or what, but there it is. This is the back of the card. Apparently there are 6 other cars, or 5 other cars in this collection. I would really like the Nissan 350Z, but we'll see how that goes. There are 2 versions of the car as well, for this 2018 release as well. So this car came out in 2018, so it's about 4 years old now. So we're just going to use the conventional way, just open the box up real quick and take a look at the car inside. So here I'm just cutting with the pen knife. Please be careful when you do that, because you don't want to hurt yourself. It's kind of scary though, like to get a cut and be hurt. Anyways, we're about to open the car, and voila, the 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. It comes with a plastic case to, I guess, protect the car. And here it is in a silver paint with a carbon fiber hood, as well as a carbon fiber spoiler, which I'll show you in a second. But here the car really looks nice. There are Bridgestone tires, decals at least. There are no removable parts. The wheel spins well. So here's the carbon fiber hood, and actually it is textured, so you do realize that there is a bit of a difference as well in the texture, from a smooth to a bit rough, I guess. And at the back of the car you can see the Mitsubishi logo, the Lancer Evolution decal as well, with the number plate right there, which is an awesome little detail. Here's the carbon fiber wing that I was telling you about. Once again, it's a bit rugged as well, so it does look nice. Here, just a little focus on the Potenza Bridgestone tires. It's something that I realize Hot Wheels don't really do much. I know, put decals on the tires, but Johnny Lightning has really done it with this car. I did a separate video on another car, which I'll show you in a bit, but just to look at the bottom of this car, back to this, and there you go. We can see the Johnny Lightning logo, the 2004, which is the model year, I guess, and below there's a stamp on the date. It was created 11 January 2018, so it's about a full 4 years right now. Today is the 15th, or is it 14th? Anyways, the tires spin well. The wheels spin reasonably well compared to the other car that I did a review on. But like I said, it's not removable. The doors don't open, the hood don't open. Here's the bottom of the car once again. And yeah, just a quick overview of the entire car. I think these cars are a bit more expensive compared to the Hot Wheels that I have. Hot Wheels in Singapore go about $3.90 per piece. This goes about $8. So here's just another close-up view on the car, trying to just get some angles. The paint, it's a glossy paint, so it really looks nice as well. And it's not a very sophisticated paint job, but I really like the glossy paint and the carbon fiber accents to it. And yeah, I think it's an amazing purchase. If you guys do want to know where I got it from, please let me know in the comments below, and I will drop a link, or I'll just put the link in the description box so you guys can have a look as well. And here's a photograph of the car, and here's the other car that I was telling you about. It's a Nissan Custom that I did a review on, but it's on TikTok, so I'll leave a comment. I'll leave a link to the description of my TikTok below, and maybe you guys can have a look. And then of course I'll leave my social medias there as well, so you guys can have so do just give me a follow, and thank you.